Quest 3 mixed reality headset, sold by Amazon.com. Discover the Meta Quest 3, a mixed reality headset that transforms your home into a new playground. Experience next-level performance with double the graphic processing power of the Quest 2. Enjoy dazzling visuals with the 4K plus infinite display and rich 3D audio with enhanced sound clarity. Touch Plus controllers offer fine-tuned precision and realistic sensations for more intuitive interactions. Navigate without controllers using direct touch, letting you use just your hands to explore. Access a vast library of over 500 immersive apps across gaming, fitness, wellness, and entertainment. Get up to 2.2 hours of usage, extendable with battery saver mode and an 18W power adapter. Play longer with maximum comfort, thanks to a redesigned slimmer profile and personalized fit.
Hey, after this review, what would you say are the best aspects of the Meta Quest 3?
Well, the design is definitely a highlight. It's more comfortable and the display is significantly better, making the visuals really sharp and immersive. The tracking and controllers have also been improved, which makes a big difference in how natural the experience feels. Plus, the integration with the Meta ecosystem adds a lot of value with a wide range of content and social features.
Got it. But are there any downsides to consider?
There are a few. The battery life could be better, as it might not be enough for really long sessions without needing a recharge. Also, while the standalone mode is great, it doesn't quite match the performance you get when connected to a PC. And of course, it's priced at the higher end of the market, which might be a consideration for some people. Dive into extraordinary experiences with the most powerful Quest yet, blending virtual and actual surroundings seamlessly. Rated 4.5 stars. Order today for a special price. Link is in the description below. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.